Hey guys, welcome back to World of Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade, guys, today will be super helpful video, guys, for any of you having engine light on and having any of the following, guys, 4 codes. I'm talking about code 351, 352, 353 or 354. We'll explain each one of those codes, what is caused by and how to fix it, guys. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. Why? Pretty simple, guys. We did an engine replacement. In the meantime, we decided to make about 100 mechanical videos how to replace pretty much anything on that engine, from little bitty sensors, let's say camshaft, crankshaft position sensors, all the way to timing chain components and cylinder head gaskets, guys. So if you need help with that engine, we have all that on the channel. In addition, we'll be making more than 100 videos about diagnostic engine codes and common problems. So why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, the scanner that we're using here at the shop, all that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Many of you ask me, guys, all the time in the comment section, what scanner do we like, what scanner we use and what scanner we recommend. This is the one right here, guys. Not a sponsored video purchased by us, but this is my favorite tool that we have here at the shop. Now, this, what I like about it, it can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on all US vehicles, all European cars as well, guys. Check it out. And it supports all Asian vehicles as well. So pretty much you can work on any car you can think of, guys. Now, you can access every computer in your car, read and delete codes from every computer, and you can see live data. This is, guys, the engine out of a 2017 Jeep. If you have Jeep Compass, the only difference will be the intake. Okay, intake duct will be a little bit shorter because you have a different location for the air filter box, and the upper engine cover will be cut like that here, but other than that, everything is exactly the same. We just have ours painted white because we like the way it looks, guys. Now, we have to remove that cover, guys. You pretty much grab it with your hands and pull it straight up. It just attaches to these posts. Okay, you can see right here. Once you do that, guys, you get to ignition coils. Those are ignition coils, and right under the ignition coils, okay, you're going to have spark plugs. That's what ignites the fuel in your car, guys. The ignition coil, okay, tells and creates a spark for the spark plug, and the spark plug is inside the cylinder, and when you have enough mixture of fuel and air and it's compressed, it ignites and that makes power. Now, you have 4 ignition coils because it's a 4-cylinder engine. 1, 2, 3, and you have 4 right here. Now, I have everything pre-loosened here so I can remove that thing and show you, but if you want to see how to replace each one of them, each one of the ignition coils, we have the video on the channel that explains that for all of them, guys. If you have code 351, guys, okay, 351 is for cylinder number 1 ignition coil. Right here, 352 corresponds to number 2, 353 is for cylinder number 3, and 354 is for cylinder number 4. Things to check: make sure that the ignition coil, okay, is connected all the way, guys. Okay, that connector is pushed all the way in. That red thing, when you remove them, you need to slide it towards the back. Okay, like that. And once you guys slide it towards the back, let me show you. Just grab it, push down here, and disconnect it. Make sure that the wiring harness is not damaged. Make sure that you don't have a loose connection. Push it all the way in, and then push the red piece in place, guys. Once the ignition goes in, it's locked in place. Otherwise, you will not be able to push the red thing to secure it. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, most likely, guys, you have bad ignition coil, and we will share the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. But that's what causes these codes, guys. Hopefully, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.